A very bright and charming morning to my dear students. Let's talk about today's session. Tell me, do you like to play? Yes. Everybody wants to play? Yes? Good. In sunny day, do you like to go outside? Yes, student. In sunny day, do you like to go outside? No. Students play indoor games like Ludo, Carom, etc. Okay, students. Now we are going to start a rhyme. Play outside. Now start with me. I want to go out today. I want to play all the day. I want to do many things. Go up and down the slides and swings. Again, student. I want to go out today. I want to play all the day. I want to do many things. Go up and down the slides and swings. Yes, students. Now, let's do an activity. For the activity, we need some shapes. Yes, like circle, triangle, square, oval, rectangle, etc. Okay, student, we need some shapes cutouts. Place all the cutout on the floor and jump on any one which you like. While jumping, tell your parents about the summer season. If you like the summer season, then why? And if not, then tell the reason of dislike. Okay, student. Dear students, now open your book, I Can Beginners, book 4, and go to page number 20. Here we have an activity, that is meet letter O. So look at the first part of this page. Here we have some images and you have to tell me which picture is that which began with letter O. Let's check images one by one. First image is nose. Second is octopus. Third one is leaf. Fourth is ox. And last image is otter. Yes, student. Now, circle the pictures that begin with letter O. Yes, images letter O. Octopus, ox, otter. Now circle. Okay, student. Students, now check the second part. Here we have been given a pattern to trace that. Yes, we will make letter O. After tracing, trace the whole dotted area. Clear? Now, open page number 21. Here we have some images of oranges. Some different letters are written. We have to circle those images on which letter O is written. Like first orange is written O. Now circle. And last orange is also. Now here circle. Clear, student? Yes, now let's revise the concept of one and many. Now open page number 22. Here we have some objects. Tick the set with many objects and cross the set with one object. Like first image is here, pumpkins. Left side one pumpkin. Then you, yes, cross here. Or other side many pumpkins, then you tick here. Okay, now rest three images do yourself. After that, go to page number 23. Students, here we have learn a new concept, that is few and many. Count the number of objects showing in each set and pointing it with pencil. Like here we have pizzas. Left side 3 pizza and other side 5 pizzas. 3 pizza you cross here and tick here. Now many pizzas there, cross here. Okay students. Now students, you can take some toys and do this activity with the help of your parents. Okay. Now activity time. Students, now bring a drawing sheet and draw an image of an ice cream showing on your mobile screen and with the help of your parents. After that, draw the ice cream, color and decorate it using confetti. Okay. So students, we come to an end of this video session. I hope you enjoy the most watching my videos and doing activities at your end. So this all from my side. In the last we revised 3 rhymes. First rhyme is summertime. Yes, repeat. Summertime, summertime, the sun shines by the pool. Summertime, summertime, it's holiday time from school. Summer's here, come enjoy the sun. Putting on our sunscreen, let's go have some fun. Okay students. Now, next rhyme is play outside. I want to go out today. I want to play all the day. I want to do many things. Go up and down, slides and swings. I repeat students. I want to go out today. I want to play all the day. I want to do many things. Go up and down the slides and swings. Now, last one rhyme is goodbye rhyme. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye friends. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye friends. It's time to say goodbye. But first, walk, walk, walk. Jump, jump, jump. Run, run, run. Stop. Hop, hop, hop. Swim, swim, swim. Dance, dance, dance. Stop. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye friends. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye friends. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye friends. Have a nice day.